Today I am here and stand around my school. I feel truly nostalgia because I spent about 6 years in this school, and after my school's 50th anniversary it is, and everyone is get to gather here to show our school, the environment, everything is colorful. I really missed my childhood friends who are not at here, but truly I missed them, and still remembered the colorful moments in this school when I come here, and the teachers. I truly miss them a lot. But whatever, today I come here with my daughter, and it's a very intriguing feeling for me because
With husband.
Sorry?
With husband.
Yeah, of course, with my husband as well as my daughter, and I feel truly enthusiasm because this is something like you are spend a lot of time here when you are a child, and everything is feel nostalgia because when I come here, everything like my teachers, my mentors, I taught everything from here. But specifically where I am read, that's the area exactly, but that is totally demolished and converted into a new building. So I missed the old one. So yeah.
Thank you.